Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making pancakes from scratch. These are just as good, if not better, than the boxed mix. It's healthier for you because there's no preservatives, and it's actually cheaper in the long run. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is 2 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of sugar. And you need 2 eggs, 1 1/2 cups of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted shortening or cooking oil. You'll also need a large bowl to mix it in, and a griddle, and I like butter flavored non-stick spray. And the first thing we're going to do is sift the dry ingredients together. Okay, I have all the dry ingredients sifted, and in a separate bowl I'm putting the 2 eggs in, the 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 1/2 cups of milk. And I'm going to use a whisk to mix this well. And I'll be back when I get this all mixed. Okay, I've got the eggs all fluffy, and I'm going to turn on the flame for the griddle to a medium high, and I'm going to give this a good spray. Put a drop of water on there, and when it starts to sputter, I know that's ready. Okay, now I'm going to pour the liquids into the dry. And mix well. Okay, I've got it all mixed together, and I'm going to be using a 1/4 cup to put these on the griddle. You could use, scooch over here. You could use something smaller. You could use tablespoons depending on how big you want your pancakes. And when you mix this pancake mix, you don't want to use an electric mixer because you need the lumps in there. I mean, you don't want to go overboard with the lumps, but you definitely need lumps. It's a good recipe to have on hand if you're out of the boxed pancake mix, or if you're just tired of all the added preservatives that they put in. And it's actually less expensive to make it from scratch. So these are going to cook until the edges start to bubble and brown just a little bit. Okay, I don't know if you can see how they've started to brown just a little bit. That middle one always gets darker. That middle one always gets done first. And it always manages to burn if I'm not careful. Personally, I like the idea of no preservatives. And something that I do that my family really likes is I dot these with butter. While they're still warm. And it gives it an even better flavor. And mine are all ready. And I am definitely going to taste this because I'm starving and I love them. Oh, these are so fluffy. They're so if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.